welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I just want to touch basic real quick on a problem. I'm gonna go back a little bit in history. I had a call. As y'all know, I take not so much calls but emails, text, things like that. When you have car problems, I don't mind answering them, and I really don't mind answering them, especially if you keep up with the channel, you know, you're a subscriber, things like that. I don't mind trying to answer your question and getting to the bottom line of your problem. All right, this situation, I got a call from a buddy. He was working on a PT Cruiser. Now, what he was doing was a water pump, and as you know, the timing has to come apart to do a water pump. Everybody knows that. All right, the problem he came up on after he was done, the car wouldn't run right. The car had low idle roughness. The car just had no power at all. I get the phone call. Naturally, the first thing I do is ask, well, what did you do? You're gonna get questions from me like, are you sure it's in time? 100% sure it's in time. And his reply simply was, yes. Now, that's under the assumption that he went back and checked, which he did. He made sure his marks, cam gears marked, but you can't just go off the cam gears alone. You have to look at the crank also. He did that and it was on time. Still the same problem. Now, low vacuum. Okay, this dawned on me, low vacuum. That's a true telltale sign of you basically out of timing. Okay, so at this point, it's only so much I can do via email and text. I have to go to him. Okay, I just can't answer any more questions. I have to know what's going on because even I'm baffled. All right, now I get over there. Sure, he already have the cover off. I can see his timing marks are in place. But again, if you have a problem after something you just did, you literally need to backtrack. I mean, really backtrack what you did. Now, he backtracked, but he didn't go back far enough. What he did not do is remove the cam gears again. That's right. Y'all see where I'm going with this. The cam gears. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a pin on each cam. This is a 2.4 dual overhead cam, meaning it has two camshafts. Okay, there are pins on the camshaft that will help you keep the cam gears aligned properly. All right, if those pins are not there, you are in trouble. All right, now you know, for some reason I used to blame this solely on customers. No, some mechanics do this also. They refuse to be honest with you. The only time that pin can come up missing, I'm not even sure it can fall out. It can be sheared off. It can be impact off. Now y'all really see where I'm going with this. Okay, so what I end up doing is removing the cam gear off, and after I remove, I think it was the right side cam gear. Now you can come off. There's nothing wrong with coming off. Even that's risky. I wouldn't even do that. You can come off. I've done it. Let me say it like that. With your impact. Okay. Now once I got it off, the gear just did this. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that car was out of time. Now let me reiterate, a true way of knowing your car out of time is or a true way of suspecting your car being out of time is low vacuum, man. Now your time is going to either be retarded or advanced, depending on which way it's out. Okay, at any rate, low vacuum is a true indicator of being out of valve timing. Your timing is off. That was one of his symptoms, super low vacuum. Now, a lot of you guys don't have vacuum gauges, but the MAP sensor monitors engine vacuum. So use your scan tool and look at, you know, the vacuum. Okay, now, but I'm going too far. Let me finish this off. Yes, he sheared the pin. Do not, I repeat, do not use the impact on those cam gear pins. You will ruin it. You will damage it. You will end up needing another camshaft, which is what he did. Now I have some footage here. I'm gonna show y'all the proper way of putting these cam gears on. Okay, so I did a timing belt a while back and I captured some footage. I'm gonna show y'all the proper way to install camshaft gears on a 2.4 liter dual overhead cam engine. All right, let's watch the rest of this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Okay, let me install this cam gear. Be careful to align it properly with the pin. All right, now what I'm gonna do now is tighten this bolt hand tight. The thinking behind this, just get it snug, just snugged enough. Right here, that is a no-no, people. Do not use the impact on this bolt. Okay, now this is my cam gear holder tool. Okay, it's a Miller tool 6847. That's a tool I've been using for over 15 years.
Now again, I just want to snug the bolt down, just snug it down real good right here with my breaker bar, my 18mm socket. Now I will grab my torque wrench because these bolts have to be torqued to proper specification, which is 85 foot-pound. All right, let's torque this bolt down to 85 foot-pound. Now you see how I got my tool, my holder tool, prying up against the frame of the car. Just put a rag up under it and you shouldn't have no problem. Now you need to do both sides, so torque both cam bolts down to 85 foot-pound, and that should do it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so that's all I have, man. Use the proper tool when doing this stuff so you won't have any problem afterward. Last thing you want to do is shear that pin. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.